Okay, see everyone. So first principle problems. First, I am going to complete the first principle problem in exercise 3.2. Everyone see exercise 3.2 in our textbook. Exercise 3.2. Everyone observe exercise 3.2. Fourth problem, first principle problem. First, you have to complete the fourth problem and 10th problem. After that, derivative method we can enter. Okay, na? Right, direct process method we can enter. Before we have to complete the what problems is the first principle problem. Right, first note down the fourth problem. Fourth problem, first bit. So find the derivative of the following function from the first principle already given. Using the first principle only. So first bit is, so f of x, let it be as a f of x is equal to x cube minus 27. F is telling that in my stomach is x. This is the vomiting by x cube minus 27. Immediately write down f of x plus h, f of x plus h. So now f is telling that I am counting the same function with the cubing, and extra is the 27 minus 27. Write down the first principle formula. First principle formula. Write down. Everyone note down the first principle formula. First principle is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Okay, now this is the first principle formula. Keep in box. Everyone keep the first principle formula in box. In that one, substitute everyone. What we have to substitute everyone. So right, everyone substitute in that one. The screen is clear now, everyone. Screen is clear now. Right. First principle, write down. Substitute the f dash x meaning is d by dx of x cube f of x or f dash x, that is equal to limit f of h tends to 0 f of x plus h is x plus h whole cube minus extra is the 27 minus f of x is bracket minus is there means immediately bracket. So x cube, f of x is the x cube minus 27 bracket close, downside is the head. Okay, na? Now f of x place right down the d by dx of f of x place is the x cube minus 27 derivative of x cube minus 27. Do with the least x. Do with the least x. Okay, na? Do with the least x. Is it clear, everyone? Do with the least x. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Sir, not Rani Baswaraj. What is the point? Now, first problem or fourth problem, Rani. Fourth problem, first bit C. What is the f of x is given by x cube minus 27. F of x plus h is x is there, x minus 27. Okay, na? F of x plus is there, same. So x plus h whole cube minus 27. X place what is the we have, that should be represented. Rani, understand? So first principle write down. F dash of x is the formula, first principle formula. Limit h tends to 0. Right, limit h tends to 0. Right, now substitute. Now substitute the value x plus h minus f of x by h. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear now? Now expand. Now expand, everyone. Right, now expand. So a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3ab into a plus b minus 27 minus x cube minus minus is the plus 27. Plus 27 by denominator is h. Now minus plus x cube is cancelled. Okay, now write down the limit. H tends to 0. What is the remaining term? H cube plus multiply with x. 3x square h. Multiply with h. 3x h square. 3 by denominator is h. So what is the common in the numerator? Is the h is common. Take h is common and cancel and apply the limit. H is common and cancel and apply the limit. First, take h is common. So limit h tends to 0. H is common. What is the remaining terms? Is the h square plus 3x square plus 3x h. By denominator is the h should be cancelled, everyone. Now substitute limit. How fourth step came, sir? Not understand. Fourth step. 1, 2, 3. Fourth step. Now f of x plus h. Expand this one. Expand. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b minus x cube plus 27. X cube cancel. Now multiply 3xh multiply with x. 3x x multiplication 3x square h. 3x multiply with h. 3x h square by h. Take h is common and cancel. Am I clear? Now substitute limit value. H place is 0 right now. So 0 square plus 3x square plus 0. What is the final answer? Is that 3x square. 3x square, right? 3x square. Go through the second bit, same order. Fourth problem, second bit. Everyone go through, note down the second bit. Everyone, fourth problem, second bit, write on. I sent record also. We should be see once again. Anyone have the doubt? We should be see once again. Okay. Right. Second bit, right on number 4. The problem, second bit. Everyone see the fourth problem, second bit. What is the given function is? Let it be f of x. What is the given function is? X minus 1 into x minus 2. Multiply two equations. Then what we are getting? See, multiply two equations. Everyone should be multiplied by the multiplication. What we are getting observed by the multiplication. What we are getting observed. Multiplication f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 after multiplication. F function is telling that I have x is in my stomach. Outside vomiting is x square along with the minus 3x along with the plus 2. Same relation right now. F of x plus h. Same relation represent everyone. Same relation represent f of x plus h. Same relation first everyone represent. Wanting is the same function with the square and same function with the minus 3. Same function with square. Same function with the minus 3. And extra is the plus 2. Extra is the plus 2. I will write same function. Understand? No doubt here now. Now write down the first principle formula. First principle formula. First write down. What is the first principle? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. Keep in box, and then you should be write down, substitute the values in that one. Everyone substitute the values in that one. Substitute f dash x, meaning is the derivative of f of x with least x. Least x, not a great x. Okay, na? Right, with the least x. Everyone clear now, everyone? Right. See, with the least x, limit h tends to 0. In place of f of x plus h, write down the value. In this place, write down its value. So x plus h whole square minus 3 times of same function plus 2 minus of f of x place, write down. What is the f of x is? Bracket x square minus 3x plus 2. By denominator is h. Now expand a plus b whole square formula apply. A plus b whole square formula. Everyone applies a plus b whole square formula. So this is derivative of f of x, mean x minus 1 into x minus 2. Derivative is needed. Okay, na? Limit h tends to 0. Limit now a plus b whole square, write down. A plus b whole square, write down first. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus multiplication minus 3x minus 3h plus 2 multiply with minus minus x square minus is the plus 3x minus 2 by denominator is h. Equal term should be cancelled. Equal term should be cancelled, everyone. Equal term should be cancelled. Equal term should be cancelled, everyone. Equal term should be cancelled. So x square plus 3x minus 3x both are cancelled. Plus 2 minus 2 both are cancelled. Now write down derivative of given function is x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to limit h tends to 0. Remaining function carefully write down. H square plus 2xh minus 3h by h. Take h is common and the limit substitute. Take h is common and cancel, limit substitution. Take h is common and cancel, limit substitution you can apply. Limit, take h is common, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, take h is common. So h plus 2x minus 3 by denominator is h. Now substitute what answer we are getting. Rangra Sanjay, not minus 3. What is the 2x minus 3? H only 0. How it is x is 0, Sanjay? Abhay, see, 2x minus 3. Lalit Kumar is correct. 2x minus 3. H place is the 0. H place is the 0. What is the remaining is 2x minus 3. Answer is 2x minus 3 is correct. Right. 2x minus 3, right? Are Nikhil Robo, what is the Robo? Forgot, sir. Okay. 2x minus 3. Everyone go to completed candidates, go through the third bit. Third bit fast to do. Third bit is 1 by x square, fast you can do. 1 by x square, third bit. Everyone do the third bit, 1 by x square. Same model. Everyone do the first third bit. Write down the third bit, both the problem, third bit. Given function f of x is equal to, first write down given function f of x is equal to 1 by x square. Now write down the, so f of x is telling that model same, sir, yes. Same model only. First principle, 4 bits is there. Fourth problem, 4 bits is there. First problem completed, second problem completed. Now, f of x plus h. So, f stomach is the x plus h, it wanting by 1 by same function with the square. Same function with the square. Write on the first principle and write down their values. Write down first principle and write down the values in that one. First write down the first principle. F dash x, put in the box. First principle is the compulsory. He is asking the first principle. Formula is compulsory for 1 mark. Formula is compulsory for first principle. Okay, na? He is telling, Abhay is telling wrong, Raj. 13.2 first say. I will tell next. I will tell next month. First principle problems completed. Next we can do. Right. Derivative of limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h value write down 1 by x plus h square. 1 by x plus h square. F of x value write down. F of x is a 1 by x square upon h. Take LCM, everyone. Take LCM. First take LCM. Derivative of d by dx of f of x is a 1 by x square. Take derivative LCM. Limit h tends to 0. Cross multiplication x square minus x plus h square by denominator. LCM will come denominator x plus h square into x square. Already in the denominator is h. A plus b whole square formula write down. A plus b whole square formula and cancel the equal term. A plus b whole square formula write down, everyone. And cancel and write down. A plus b whole square formula write down and cancel and write down, everyone. So derivative of 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x square. Okay, na? Is equal to x square. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. First x square minus, immediately minus write down. Bracket expand, everyone. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab by denominator is a head. Open with minus. Open with minus. D derivative of 1 by x square with least, do with the least check. Limit h tends to 0. X square by the minus multiplication. Minus h square minus minus 2x head by denominator is the head. Cancel the terms. Take h is common. Take h is common. Derivative of 1 by x square. Do with the least x. Limit h tends to 0. H is common. H is common. What is the remaining? Is the minus H minus 2x by H. Now cancel. Now cancel. Denominator I forget. Denominator I forget. Sorry. I forget denominator. X plus H square into X square into H. H into X plus H square into X square. X plus H square into X square. H is cancelled. Now limit substitute. Denomination. I will write correct. I will write C. Salih has to see about the denominator. I will write. Now substitute H is d by 1 by x square. Do with x. H place right on 0. This is the 0 minus 2x. X plus H place is the 0 square into x square. Now write down and simplify. Minus 2x by denominator is the x square into x square. One x term is cancelled. One x term is cancelled. What is the final answer? Is minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube. Now it is clear, everyone? Right. Everyone go through the fourth bit first. Fourth bit we should complete means. Clear, sir. Okay. Go through the fourth bit, everyone. First principle problems is going to completed. First fourth bit complete. Fourth problem, fourth bit. Fourth problem, fourth bit first. Let f of x is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1. X plus 1 by x minus 1. Same write down f of x plus h. X place write down x replace with x plus h. X plus h plus 1 by x replace with h plus h. X plus h minus 1. Write down the first principle and substitute the values, everyone. Write down the first principle and substitute the values. First. 0 is the answer, not by 0 is the answer. Wrong C. 0 is the wrong. 0 is the wrong C. Basha sir. Do fast, everyone. Do fast. Right. F of x plus h place right down. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h place right down. X plus h plus 1 by x plus h minus 1 minus f of x place right down. X plus 1 by x minus 1. Total denominator upon h. Take LCM, everyone. Take LCM. Derivative of f of x mean x place is the x plus 1 by x minus 1 derivative. Do with least x. Limit h tends to 0. Take LCM, cross multiplication. X plus h plus 1 into x minus 1 minus x plus 1 into cross multiplication x plus h cross multiplication x plus h right on x plus h minus 1 upon right on the One is the x plus h minus 1. One more is the x minus 1. Already in the denominator is h. Now multiply and write down carefully. Everyone multiply and write down carefully. First you write down. Multiply and write down carefully. Cancellation also write down. Limit h tends to 0. Carefully multiplication done. X into x is the x square. X into minus 1 is the minus x. X into x is the x square. X into minus 1 is the minus x. Again, start with h. H into x is the hx. H into minus 1 is the minus h. Start with 1. 1 into x is the x. 1 into minus 1 is the minus 1. Minus immediately bracket. X into x is the x square. X into h is the xh. X into 1 minus 1 is the minus x. Next, multiply with 1. 1 into x is the x. Next, 1 into h is the h. 1 into minus 1 is the minus 1. Upon, now write down the total terms. X plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 into h. Now cancel the equal term. Minus x square plus x square is cancelled. Here plus x minus x. Here also plus x minus x is cancelled. Any other term is cancelled. Minus xh plus hx is cancelled. Okay, now what is the remaining right down there? Minus 1, minus 1 and minus minus plus 1 is cancelled. What is the remaining terms right down there? Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Minus h is the minus 2h. By denominator is the x plus h minus 1 into x minus 1 into h. This h and h is cancelled. We're going to close the 10 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, fast everyone complete. Once again, I will write here downside. It is giving warning also. Within the 10 minutes, it is going to cut. Okay. Write on. Limit h tends to 0. Minus 2h by denominator is the x plus h minus 1, x minus 1 into h. H is cancelled. Now substitute limit value. Minus 2 by x plus 0 minus 1 into x minus 1. Minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 1. Write down the final answer is minus 2 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, now clear everyone? Fourth problem, 4 bits is completed. Same first principle problem. In the 10th problem we have seen. 10th problem. Everyone see the 10th problem. Same first principle. Same first principle. We are in the 10th problem. Observe. Write down the 10th problem, everyone. Everyone write down the 10th problem. First principle problems are going to completed. F of x is equal to cos x. Immediately x replace with x plus h. X replace with x plus h. Write down the first principle. Write down the first principle, formula, and substitute in that one. Formula and substitute in that one. Everyone. Fast. First to do within 10 minutes, we have to complete. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h is cos of x plus h minus f of x is cos x by denominator is h. Cos c minus cos d formula. 6 minutes 30 seconds. Right. Cos c minus cos d formula. Cos c minus cos d formula. Everyone know the cos c. Cos c minus cos d formula. Already know that. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Daily you are reading. Daily reading formula. Now write down. Cos c minus cos d. D by dx of f of x is a cos x. Limit h tends to 0. C d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 x plus h plus x by 2 c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. C is the x plus h, d is the minus x by 2. Here minus x plus x is cancelled, by denominator is h. Right, now derivative of cos x formula is required. Limit h tends to 0. H tends to 0 minus 2 sin of x plus x is the 2x plus h by 2. Second one is sin h by 2. Sin h by 2. This h is add, divide with this one. Because of we have the formula sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta formula. Divide with 2 and multiply with 2. Divide with 2 and multiply with 2. Sin theta by theta value is 1. Sin theta by theta value is 1. Divide with 2 and multiply with 2. Divide with 2 and multiply with 2. Sin theta by theta value is 1. Direct substitute this 2 and 2 is cancelled. Direct substitution. Derivative of cos x. Write down the derivative of cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to h plus 0. Write down the sign of 2x plus h plus is the 0 by 2. Now write down everyone. Already minus is there. Now write down everyone. Derivative of cos x minus of sine of 2 cancel. What is the value? Minus sine x. Put in the box. That is the one of the formula. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sine x. It is clear? Anyone have the doubt in this one? Anyone have the doubt? No, sir. Okay. No, okay. Okay, na? Okay. It is formula. Yes, tomorrow I will tell formulas. So, two examples is there. Two examples of the first principle, 16th and 17th example. No, sir. 16th and 17th tomorrow I will explain. What about the maths? Maths examinations will be postponed And when the college will be open, immediately 1 day gap we will give, immediately put the as per timetable examination. Okay, na? So not on the same day, one day we'll give the time, one or two have to discuss, we will tell. So next day we can put the examination as per series. Okay, na? Sir, once again send it. Okay, sir. Okay, na? Right. Class 6 is clear, na, everyone? Okay, na? Clear, na? Okay, tomorrow, not on third, not on third. No maths examination on third. Because up to fourth is the college will be closed now. After then, we put the examinations as per timetable. Okay. Okay. I'm going to cut. Third step, Lalit Kumar, third step. 1, 2, 3. Lalit Kumar, sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta, what is the value is? 1. We have to complete the theorem now. Sin theta by theta value is 1. No. After 4 will be open. No question at all. So sin theta by theta, Lalit Kumar, point is understand na? Sin theta by theta is 1. For uniform, h by 2 is divided with 2 and multiply with 2. Extra 2 and we have the one more 2 will be cancelled. Okay na? Clear na everyone? Right. I am going to cut the